Hello everyone. So it means I'm sorry I have a problems in this mic here, my speakers here. So it means this is a last round from this one. So it means analyze games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means this is a last round 13. Round number 13 here in this one. So it means Masters first of this analyze here. After the Masters, next is Challengers here. So it means two analyze of these games here. So it means team from this India also have a Grandmaster from this World Champ Gukesh versus Grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi here from this one. So it means long game between 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this chess games here. So in this round number 13 here, last round number 13, part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Tata Steel. So white plays word champ is e4, e5 Erigaisi, knight f3, knight f6. Petrov defense here by codes here from this one, and also knight takes e5 and also d6. Classical variation Petrov defense. So it means threat by knight and also knight c4. So it means main line there still backward is knight f3. So it means knight f3 if you capture this knight takes pawn or maybe d4. Simple as that. D4 here from this one. So it means Wercham moved by knight c4 here, and also knight takes e4, and also queen e2 threat by knights here. So why don't we try knight c3? So it means knight c3 here. If you capture this, knight takes c3 here, and also pawn takes knight. So it means pawn takes knight here are simple as that here. So back there is queen e2, and also queen e7 by defense by knight, knight e3, and also knight backward f6, and also knight c3. So it means two knights here from this one without move by here d5, and here is d5. Same by 2 without c3, knight c3 or knight e3 with a move by knight e5 here. And also bishop e6, g3. So it means g3 forward by here by bishop g2. So it means bishop g2 here, and also knight c6. So it means knight c6 by Erigaisi with upcoming by castle king side. Sorry, castle queen side. So it means I'm sorry I got wrong notes here. So it means castle queen side here from this one. And also bishop g2, good move by Wertscham, and also queen d7, castle king side. So it means castle king side is okay. So it means the problem is the castle king side is simple, still novelty by castle king side here. Old main line there is b4. So it means b4 threat by knights here. Sorry, threat. So it means knight. So it means knight threat by b4. So it means sacrifice. So it means b4 is sacrifice here by old main knights. Old main knights here by sacrifice. If your knight takes sacrifice here from this one, and also rook b1 threat by knights. So it means I'm sorry I got forgetting wrong notes here from this one. So novelty castle king side, castle queen side, and also b4. Look at that. What a nice by sacrifice by Wercham. So it means knight with a threat by b4 sacrifice here, and also d5. So it means d5 by threat by here. So it means threat. So what don't so it means in accept why don't we capture this sacrifice by knight takes b4, or maybe here is bishop e3 by threat by knights here. If you move by backwards, so it means knight c6 here. Simple it's that. So it means without examples here from this one. So back there is d5 with a threat by b4. So it means double bishop. So it means bishop by doubles, or maybe knight doubles here by bishop. Sorry, knight. So it means knight here, pawns, or maybe bishop bishop threat by pawns by b4 here, without knights and bishop double without attacking by target by b4 pawns. And also b5 push b5 with a threat by here, threat by knights, so it means threat. And also knight a5, and another good move is d4, so it means what a fantastic move by World Champ. And also bishop h3 captured, and also queen f3, so it means queen f3 here with the determinations by World Champ here. And also h5, so it means h5, so it means development by Erigaisi here. And also knight takes d5, what a sacrifice by Gukesh here. And push h4, so it means what a nice push by Erigaisi, so it means without threat, so it means threat here, so it means threat by g3 here. And also knight takes f6, and also pawn takes knight, and also rook d1, so it means rook d1 is putting by bad move by Gukesh in this computer, so it means does not want of this computer. So the best correct move here is queen g2, so it means queen g2 if you avoided by queen f5 here, and also queen e4, and also repeat queen h3 and queen g2 here, so it means repeat, look at that, repeat, so it means, so repeat here, so repeat, or maybe repeat here, and so it means at the back, so it means 3 times without draw, so it means equals draw here, so it means draw. So back there is rook d1, and also pawn takes g3, and also h takes g3, so it means, so why don't we capture this one, so it means f takes g3 here, simple is that, so it means without continuations here from this one. So back there is pawn takes g3, and also knight c4, so it means knight c4 here by Erigaisi, and also bishop f4, another bad move by World Champ, so it means question mark. So the best moves there is rook b1, so it means without defense by b5, so it means b5 here. So back there is bishop f4, and also good move by bishop h6, what a great move by Erigaisi here for this one, so it means without continuation, without awesome and fantastic move. And also bishop takes, rook takes, and also queen g2, queen to queen, and also queen h5 avoided by Erigaisi. So it means why don't we capture this queen to queens? So it means queen takes g2 check, and king takes queen, and also rook dh8 battery, so it means threat by check, so it means check here, so it means check, and also force move is king f3, so it means without no one with check here. So back there is queen h5, and also rook ab1, what a fantastic move by World Champ. So look at this, so it means nice shot by rook b1 here, and also rook dh8, what a triple battery by Erigaisi, so it means without danger, so it means here without check, or maybe here check here, or maybe here is without check, so it is simple as that here. And also rook b4 with a threat by knight, and also knight a3 with a threatening by pawn by c2, and also push b6, so it means push here from this one, and also c takes b6, so it means c takes b6, so it means why don't we capture this one, so it means a takes b6 here, so it means without double, so it means double, so it means if you rook here, never mind, so it means example here. So back there is c takes b6, and also rook a4, so it means rook a4 with a threat by knight, and also knight b5, and also rook d3, so it means rook d3 here, and also knight takes, rook takes, and also king d. What? Wait. So it means, oh, rook takes c3 without check. Oh, so it means check here. So it means check by rook takes c3. So it means check here, and also king d8. King d8 here, and also f3, and also queen b5 without threat by rook, or maybe here without check. So it means very painful by word champ. So it means what a nice shot, strongest move by Eric I see here. And also rook takes a7, so it means without threat by pawn b7 here. And also rook b1 check, so it means rook b1, so it means without here by g2, or maybe without danger by this one with threat by queen, so it means danger by whites here. And also king f2, and also last shot is one is boom, rook 8 h2 check, so it means last round from this round number 13, so it means resign by word chop. Very sad and painful by Gukesh, so it means lose by word chop. So it means the winner of this one is GM Arjuna Rigaisi, so it means black. So it means next from this challenger, our challenger here with white pieces between by Benjamin Book here versus black pieces Tai Ngong Yan. So it means, so what is analyze of this one? Let's see. Okay, next challenger also between from this grandmaster from Netherlands is Benjamin Book versus the Grandmaster from Czech Republic, Tai Ngong Yan. So it means part of this video, we have analyzed of this chess games challengers round number 13, last round, Tata Steel. So d4 Benjamin, knight f6 Tai Ngong Yan, c4, e6 East Indian defense, knight c3, and also bishop b4, skull Nipso Indian defense, queen c2. So it means queen c2. So it means main line. So it means main line is knight f3. If you d5 here, and also e3. So it means e3. Simple is that. The back there is queen c2, d5. So it means threat by c4, and also a3 threat by bishop. Bishop takes c3 check. Queen takes c3, and also knight c6. So it means knight c6. So it means if we capture this here, pawn, it takes c4, and also e3. So it means threat by c4. So it means c4 here, and also defense b5. So it means b5 here. So it means simple as that. So back there is knight c6, and also bishop g5. So it means bishop g5 without pin by queen. So it means queen. So it means pin by threat from this one by Benjamin. And also d takes c4 and e3. So it means e3 here, and also knight e5. Oh, wait. So it means, so it means without knight d5, with a threat by queen, and bishop threat by queen. Oh, so it means without double by white queen or black queen. So it means bishop takes d8 queen. Good move by Benjamin. So it means what a nice shot here. And knight takes queen by Tai Ngong Yan. So it means Tai Ngong Yan here. Oh, bishop takes c7. So why don't we capture this one? If you capture this, pawn takes knight here, and also here. So it means, oh, so white takes, king takes d8 here. Simple as that. So back there is bishop takes c7, and also good move is knight d5. So it means threat. So look at that, threat here, threat. So it means threat here by bishop here. So it means threat here, and also bishop backwards g3, and also knight a5, knight e2, so it means knight e2 here by Benjamin, and also b5, knight c3, a6, and also bishop e2, so it means bishop e2, so it means castle, so it means without castle, kingside by Benjamin here, and also bishop b7, so it means bishop b7 is novelty by Tai Nung Yen. So it means novelty here. Old main line there is knight takes c3. So it means knight takes c3 are old main lines by good novelty. So back novelty is bishop b7, knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, and also f3. So it means f3 here without continuation by Benjamin here, and also knight b3 threat by rook, rook b1, rook c8, and also bishop d1. So it means bishop d1 threat by knights here, king d7 without coming here by rook hd8. So it means rook hd8 here, and also e4 threat by bishop, and also bishop backwards b7, bishop c2, and also a5. So it means a5 is bad move by Tai Yong Yen. That's not one computer. So the best moves there is rook hd8. So it means rook hd8 are best move. So back there is a5, and also king 2 or king f2. So it means king f2 here, and also rook hf8, and also king e3, f5. So it means f5 here without push here by, or maybe here is f4. So it means push here without threat. I don't know what to think here for this one. And also rook hd1, g5. Oh my god, what the strongest move by Tai Nung Yen without here move by threat, without push f4 threat by, so it means check, or maybe here by threat here by bishop here, so it means threat here, and also bishop a1, pawn takes, so it means another bad move by Tai Nung Yen, bad move. So the best moves is push f4 check. So it is push f4 check. If you king f2, so it is king f2 without continuations here. So back there is f takes e4, and also pawn takes rook f4. So it means rook f4, and also bishop g3. So it means threat by rook. So it means good move by Benjamin Book. So it means without here, threat by rook here, and also rook backwards ff8, and also bishop takes b3. So it means bishop takes b3. So it means capture this knight. So it means bad move. So it means bad move. That's not one of these captured. So the best moves there is d5. So it means d5 here. So it means continuations here from this one. So back there is bishop takes knight, and also pawn takes bishop, rook f1 without the rook, rook takes, and also king a7. So it means king a7 here, and also bishop e1, b4, threat by a3, captured, good move, and also rook c1. So it means rook c1 without continuations here by solutions here by determinations here, and also pawn takes, and also king e8, good move by Tai Nung Yen here from this one. So it means move by force move here. And also king d2, rook c2 check, and also good move king e3. So it means backwards by Benjamin. And also one pawn down is rook takes b2. So it means one pawn down by Benjamin here. And also bishop b4, rook takes g2. So it means two pawn down. So it means two pawn down here. So it means 4, or maybe same by 4 here from this one. And also rook f8 check, and also king d7, rook f7 check, king c8 good move, rook f8 check, king c7, rook f7 check, king b8, and bishop d6 check. So it means bishop d6 check, and king e7, a7. So it means king a7. And also bishop c5 check. So it means another bad move by book. So it means, so the correct move here is d5. So it means d5 here. If you capture this one, or maybe here is e takes d5. So it means cannot move up this here by bishop takes pawn. So it means because it means check. So it means check here without check. So it means bishop c5 check, and good move is king a8. Good move by Tai Hongyan. So it means you need to focus on these determinations here without solutions. What a fantastic here by Tai Hongyan. And also rook a7 without threat by pawn by e6, and also b2. So it means b2 by Tai Hongyan without coming by promotes this queen. So it means queen here, and also rook takes e6 check, and also king takes f5 without pawn, and also rook b6. So it means rook b6 without threat by b2 here, and also bishop. So it means bishop a6. So it means bishop a6 here, and also rook b8, and also rook e2 check. So it means rook e2 check, and also king f3, and also bishop d3. So it means bishop d3 here without threat by here. So it means without threat, without pawns, or maybe here rook here without pawns threat here. So it means threat. And also h3, and also h5. So it means h5 here, and also push e5. So it means push e5 by Benjamin here, and also rook h2. So it means without threat by h3 pawns, and also king g3 threatening by rook here, and also rook e2, king f3 threat by rook, and also king a4. So it means king a4 here, and also push e6 without promotes. So it means push without coming, without queen. So it means promotes. So it means promotes here, and also bishop b5, and also rook a8 check, and king b3, and also rook b8. So it means rook b8 here, and also g4 check, and also captured check, and also king takes g4, and also last shot is king c4. So it means last last round of this challenger. So it means resigned by GM Benjamin Pope in Netherlands. So why he resigns? Because if you push by e7 check, and also promotes win. So it means fatal, lose by black. Lose by white. So it means lost by whites here. So it means, I'm sorry, I got wrong in these words here. So it means lose by white. So it means wins for black. So it means wins for black here. So it means those by GM Benjamin Book are our champion. So the winner of this champion from this challenger is Sergej, but what is naming? Oh, sorry. So it means name here. Oh, Sergej Republic. Oh, so the winner of Czech Republic is GM Tai Ngongyan. So it means, like, let's see the picture. So it means the winner of this Czech Republic, GM Tai Ngongyan in this challenger. So it means congratulations by Tai Ngongyan in this GM. So it means, so the finals here without here top two here from this one. This is the world champ last chance. So it means without here world champ GM Bukesh versus GM Pragnananda. So it means final battle from this one Tata Steel. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much here from this one. I'm Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and good night. Bye bye.